Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. It is Wednesday, November the 4th, 2020. We have 14 degrees Celsius outside today. Beautiful, sunny, bright day. Supposed to be a nice week all week and into the weekend with temperatures up in the teens like we've got. So this is weather we should have had back in October. Just going to take you guys for a quick ride out to Middle Falls Provincial Park, which is now Pigeon River Provincial Park. I did a video on that a few years ago. I took you guys for a walk there with the GoPro. What I plan to do right now is I'm going to take the drone out and I want to take a flight up the river and to the falls. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get there. It's about a 25 minute drive to the border, to the park, and I'll catch up with you guys there. All right, guys, so as I stated, we are at Pigeon River Provincial Park. This used to be known as Middle Falls Provincial Park at one time. It's now changed, of course. Used to be some pretty cool campgrounds in here, some campsites, big pavilion. So it was pretty cool. So we're gonna get the drone fired up and we'll head down the river with it, and we'll show you the falls once we get there as well. So I should also tell you that part of the river, the Pigeon River, is also part of the boundary. So part of it's Canadian, the other part is American, as we can see here. That takes you over to the bridge. That's the bridge over to Minnesota. All right, Pigeon Bay, Pigeon River, High Falls, okay. And we've got Middle Falls, which is where we are now. Middle Falls parking area, this is where we are, right? And this, of course, is the river. So you can see we got the boundary going through the falls. So one half's on Canadian side, and the other half is on American soil. So my plan is to just take the drone and we're gonna fly down the river as far as we can. Of course, without losing it, we shouldn't. So, as you guys can see here. All right. And the falls is back there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fly you guys over the river here for a little bit. I'll bring you down here and we'll just fly over the river, and then we'll head over to the falls.
you.